right, I just received this, and I'm hoping that this helps me with production, because this is like a clamp for my iPhone, so I can, instead of having a tripod, I can clamp this against a table. And so anyway, this is what it looks like so far. So it looks like there's a bunch of parts. Here's one. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. So this is it here. Oh, it feels really nice. So this, you can tighten down and you can lock it in place. I think this is the head for the iPhone or Android, whichever you may be using it. So let's take a look. These are always very hard to use with like the Pro Maxes, but this will go right on here like this. You see that? And you can also spin it this way. I'm wondering if I want to do that. Maybe I'll do it that way. I'm going to do it like this, I think. For right now. Once you get it on there, then you can twist it around and, you know, whatever direction you want to put it in. It's got a bunch of these, so you can change it. You know what I mean? And this is your clamp right here. So this is the clamp. And it opens up like that. And these swivel so you can catch your surface. You're going to be able to get about maybe, you know, it looks like it opens up pretty good. Yeah, I think it does. So I'll just show you here. So I put it on there. Let me put it this way. I'm going to put it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to tighten it like that. You follow me? And then I can adjust this so that, you know, however I want to do my videotaping, I lock it in, lock these all down, and then you put your phone in here. You know what I mean? I'm going to twist this around. There we go. And then we'll slide this phone in. Because remember, your phone's heavy. So this has to be fairly sturdy. And wow, that works great. Look at that. That's holding that phone in there nice. So yeah, I think it looks good. Check it down here. Here's where it's connected. You got an elbow here. I got elbow up here. And then bam, you got your phone on there. And so now you can, you can do videos like underneath your phone. That's going to work super good. I got my hand, like I'm put my hands down here, and you can do your thing. And what's cool about this is, check it out. You can move it all different ways. See that? So it's locked in here. There's no, you don't see the tripod feet, and then you can, you're looking straight down here at your project. Let's say I'm going to do something with this, like I'm going to put the card inside of it. I've got a great way to do that and videotape it with this. So yeah, I think this is really good. Highly recommend. And I might want to comb my hair. All right, if you like this video, Amazon, buy it on there. Oh, and also it comes with these extra pieces. You've got a little screw-in thingamabob here, and you got an Allen wrench in case you've got to do any kind of Allen wrenching. I don't know where you would do it, but somewhere on here, apparently you use this for the Allen wrench. We'll set her to the side. All right, that's it.